Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. This is where the concept of an emergency fund comes into play. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you with the knowledge to take control of your financial destiny. Today, we're tackling a subject that's often overlooked but absolutely crucial: emergency funds. So, grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive into the world of financial preparedness. An emergency fund, in essence, is a dedicated pool of money deliberately set aside to cover unforeseen expenses or financial emergencies. Unlike other forms of savings, the primary purpose of an emergency fund is not to invest or grow wealth, but to act as a financial safety net. It serves as a cushion that prevents individuals or families from falling into the quagmire of debt when unexpected expenses rear their head. The importance of an emergency fund. The importance of an emergency fund transcends mere financial prudence. Firstly, it provides an unparalleled sense of financial security, offering not only peace of mind, but a tangible shield against the uncertainties of life. Knowing that there exists a financial buffer capable of handling unexpected expenses can significantly reduce the emotional and mental strain associated with financial stress. Moreover, an emergency fund plays a pivotal role in debt prevention. Without such a financial safety net, individuals often find themselves resorting to borrowing or relying on credit cards to cover sudden expenses. This can inevitably lead to accumulating high-interest debt, creating a perilous cycle that is challenging to extricate oneself from. The emergency fund, as a preemptive measure, acts as a safeguard against this potential debt trap. In times of economic volatility, job losses or unexpected interruptions in income are not uncommon. An emergency fund, meticulously cultivated, ensures that individuals can weather these storms by covering essential expenses during periods of unemployment. This financial buffer becomes a critical lifeline until a new source of income is secured, preventing the descent into financial chaos. Medical emergencies, with their unpredictability and often exorbitant costs, underscore the necessity of having an emergency fund. Such a fund can be a financial lifeboat when confronted with health-related crises, enabling individuals to concentrate on recovery without the added burden of worrying about the associated costs. Similarly, unforeseen home or car repairs can place considerable strain on financial resources. Postponing necessary repairs due to financial constraints may lead to more significant expenses down the line. How to build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a multifaceted process that requires strategic planning and disciplined execution. Firstly, it is imperative to set a realistic goal. Determine the amount of money needed to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, encompassing everything from rent or mortgage to utilities, groceries, insurance, and any other essential costs. Creating a comprehensive budget is the next logical step in the journey to building an emergency fund. Track your monthly income and expenses meticulously to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a specific portion of your income exclusively towards the noble cause of building your emergency fund. For those daunted by the prospect of saving a significant amount, starting small is a viable and practical approach. Even saving a modest percentage of your income on a regular basis can accumulate into a substantial emergency fund over time, providing the necessary financial cushion when needed the most. Automating your savings is a tried-and-true method to ensure consistency in building your emergency fund. By setting up an automatic transfer to your emergency fund each month, you essentially treat it as a non-negotiable expense, thereby fostering a habit of regular contributions. Windfalls, those unexpected financial blessings such as tax refunds or work bonuses, should be viewed as golden opportunities to bolster your emergency fund. Directing such unexpected inflows directly into your emergency fund can provide a significant boost without impacting your regular budget. Choosing the right account for your emergency fund is crucial. While it's not necessary to chase high returns, consider a savings account with a competitive interest rate. This ensures that your emergency fund not only remains easily accessible but also grows over time, albeit modestly. Periodically reviewing and adjusting your emergency fund goal is an often overlooked yet essential step in this process. Life is dynamic, and changes such as a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child can significantly impact your financial landscape. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide to emergency funds has been enlightening and motivating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content on personal finance. Stay financially savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and be financially empowered.